Okay, this will be popping out the pin. It will actually fly out. Did end up using the pin burner. Got everything improved safety wise. Overall, I think it was the safest way to go about doing this. Alrighty.
Are you recording?
Yeah, it's recording. To hit some grease, huh?
I don't know what you did for that guy. Or you cut into the fucking. You didn't cut it at an angle? Kind of looks like you hit the rod. Or like the. No.
I think I got good.
You had a good video.
Got a good video, you said?
You did. Don't fling that.
Yeah, I need to put some gloves on. Just the one?
Yeah, I think so. You can put the jack.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the jack back in there.
Or are we gonna hit it up?
Wait, your phone?
Yo. A little bit wide. Why it fucked up? Alright, I'll ask. Alright. My brother, he said his grease gun is not pumping grease at the high speed.
Yeah?
That it pumps grease at the low speed, but not at the high speed. He asked me
really?
if it still had a warranty.
Oh, okay. Asking,
I mean, I bought it from Cornwall.
yeah, guy.
Yeah, so I asked the Cornwall guy. That's kind of why I like.
That's the good thing about getting it from Cornwall, it's easier to do this. That fits right in there, perfect. I might have to, let me see.
Oh, but it doesn't work because he's gonna hit.
No, it didn't hit.
Like right here, look.
No, it doesn't.
You listen to what's there.
Yeah, it's not fair. That's what I was worried about. Because look, if it wasn't like that, I mean, it could have shot it up at more.
That was kind of cool.
That was.
That was a good video.
That is a good
I wish we had a wide.
I want to see that.
Well, that was cool.
But definitely the heat made it come out, because you didn't